Hi, I'm Avaninder.
And I'm Owen.
And we're here to showcase the SRSHub.
We built the SRSHub to address several issues with the FTC ecosystem, including analog nonlinearity, quadrature skip ticks, lack of support for PWM signal, and limited I2C device support. The SRSHub has support for a variety of I2C devices, including the VL53L5CX, which is a multi-zone time-of-flight distance sensor not currently supported by the FTC SDK.
We also support the Go Build a Pinpoint, the Rev Color Sensor V3, the VL53LOX, which is used in the Rev 2M distance sensor, and coming soon is their support for the SparkFun optical odometry sensor.
The SRSHub features 12 individually configurable analog digital inputs. The analog mode supports 12-bit resolution, and the digital mode allows you to read devices such as the Adafruit brake beams.
Earlier, we mentioned that the SRSHub fixes skipped encoder ticks, but what does that mean? Well, on the Rev Control Hub, 2 of the 4 quadrature ports suffer from an issue where if the encoder spins too fast, then you'll get an inaccurate position. In order to solve that, we use hardware-level quadrature reading on the SRSHub to ensure you can go much faster without ever missing a tick.
Inaccurate encoder readings can result in inconsistent autonomous routines and impact odometry calculations and subsystems such as linear extensions.
Additionally, the SRSHub's PWM support gives you more flexibility when picking absolute encoders for your robot.
This allows for usage of devices like the Rev through-bore encoder.
Here's a video of our path follower, showing off both our encoder capabilities and our pinpoint support.
In this video, we've wired our drive training motor encoders to the SRSHub in order to calculate high accuracy EMF as part of our physics-based path following algorithm.
You'll notice that when using the SRSHub, you can completely cut out the Rev Control Hub bulk reads, further optimizing refresh rates.
We also mentioned our support for the VL53L5CX, which is not currently integrated into the FTC SDK. We make it super quick to get the VL53L5CX multi-ranging data into your codebase with custom zone configuration. When paired with our manual read feature, you'll ensure you're never getting data that you don't need. As you can see here, the L5CX is returning the whole 4x4 or 8x8 grid of distance readings. The SRSHub is unique in that it supports user-uploadable firmware over our USB-C port, which allows us to add I2C device support over time as the FTC community sees fit.
In fact, if you're interested in using a particular I2C device that isn't currently supported by the SRSHub, visit the forum linked in our docs. To purchase the SRSHub, visit srsrobotics.com.